Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Falling Flowers stamp set and a sentiment from the Better Together stamp set. And I am playing with the Spectrum pad. So if you've never seen a Spectrum pad, this is what it looks like as soon as I can get it open. It has 5 little linen ink pads in here. So what I am doing is just sort of squirting on some of my re-inker, and I'm not saturating it all the way through. 2 little coats actually are perfectly fine. And you know, if you need more, you can always add more. So I started off with Granny Green Apple, Coastal Cabana, the middle one is Balmy Blue, and then I went to Bermuda Bay and Mint Macaron. And you can see I did a swatch off to my right hand side there, and I took a look at these colors before I got them in the pad, put it that way. I wanted to absolutely make sure that the colors would go together. So, and then I cut off a little strip of that and put some tear tape on it, and now I have easily labeled my Spectrum pad. So when you're ready to use it, you push it together and then you do a little, it's like a very tiny little jog across the colors so they blend a little bit on the stamp. You don't have to, but Jennifer McGuire tells us to, so I listen to her. And I really like the way that this turned out. So this is the Falling Flowers flourish here, and it's lovely and it looks really cool. I did it the same sort of way, but just having a bit of random colors on there, not having to use your marker to do the same thing, it's pretty spectacular actually. So the stamp set says, wishing you happiness on your special day. And then I just added a few glitter enamel dots in the Granny Green Apple flavor. And that is my card for today. So thanks so much for joining me. I hope you'll give the Spectrum pad a try. And I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.